not giving it back.
Oh! Mom, the crust has pepper and salt on it.
I don't have to give it back till Tuesday.
Hi!
Are you sure about that?
What I'm most excited about is
This.
fall.
Mom, I have.
Yeah, I like that one. Oh, Jay, don't try these. Hi.
Not bad.
Playing Asphalt 9. Asphalt Legends.
Zoink.
Well.
Spider on it.
They destroyed it. Jay just threw his mother out.
This first Sunday of the NFL season.
I'm thinking today I'm gonna try this out and see how long it lasts. And at this point, I probably have about 10 to 11 products that smell like Sol de Janeiro 62, but I don't have one single product that is Sol de Janeiro. So how does that make sense? I don't know, but I was definitely happy to get my hands on this. I was scared my Walmart wouldn't have it, but it definitely does smell like 62, so nothing crazy, but definitely fall vibes. I actually have to pee so bad right now. I'm like running to the grocery store because I have to pee so bad, and I literally peed like 3 times before I left the house. So that's what I'm dealing with right now, but it is a nice day. It's like 60, 62 right now. And for me, that's cold, but I'm trying to like work up a sweat so I get warmer. But it's like we complain about the summer, we complain about the cold, but I definitely need the fall vibes. Like, I need sweatpants weather for sure. This is the shower routine I just took. I did all that walking earlier, and now I just don't feel good. I'm not in the mood. So I am hopping in the bed early, and I used the Birthday Cake Tree Hut scrub. This is so freaking good. I'm so glad I found it. I know it's been out for some years. Layered these body washes, espresso and vanilla cashmere. This is so good. This is also amazing. Amazing. I'm definitely going to be diving into this all fall because it smells even better than when I first got it. And then layered the rich caramel vanilla with the whipped honey and vanilla. This is a really nice combo as well. Super cozy. And I can't wait to just snuggle up in bed.
How much is it? What? Hey.
How much?
50 years and see if he talks. Such a glorious day. Come on, Mama! No, don't look back at me. Look forward. Oh, we're going so fast! No, pay attention! Oh! Break, break! Hi, baby! Probably the last bunny we'll see until next summer. It's like I picked up sugar and put down caffeine this week. Yeah, and just replaced it with sugar because I can't stop eating sugar.
Thank you all. A great big thanks to all of you. You are so very nice.
Oh, hit him with that sugar. Oh, hit him with that sugar. Oh,
Why does it look like
hit him
it's
with
cinnamon
that
and
sugar.
candy?
Oh.
Mama, you're gonna get me on my game.
I look crazy, but fried dough in his house. Mm.
You didn't even give me any hints that you would give me a wolf. You gotta give me how you. I know, but you gotta give me like hints. All you told me was nothing.
Okay. Ooh! Has very long nails, has pink hair, and her pet is okay. Is a cushion is my pet hedgehog. She may be a little prickly on the outside.
This is why I don't straighten it, because it's just too much.
She's really sweet on the inside, and that's what matters.
Let me see some other people's.
There's this Scorpion. She's one of my personal favorites. And
Gulia yelps.
And it's so
Not the finger.
Wait, end it in 3. My mom, Monster Fun Fast. My mom is in Ocean Night Pin. I just said that.
So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. I mean, I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, but no worries. This is why I never straighten it, because it just always ends up so puffy. I don't understand why, but I'm kind of like, why did I even straighten it? And then randomly, this scratch just appeared today. I don't understand where it came from. I was just looking in the mirror all day yesterday, obviously doing my hair, and this was not there, and I don't remember scratching myself or anything. This is crazy, because there's something in the air, and it always is, because the evil forces are at doing what they do around this time of year, October and stuff, and I just don't want to feed into it, but something's in the air already. I can feel it. But good vibes, oh yeah, good vibes. This is my favorite sweater. It's from Fashion Nova and it says good vibes only, and I just love the style, the writing, the phrase. That's my phrase. I'm all about the good vibes. Like, I can get like really like, I could be really like crazy, you guys. And yeah, but I like this sweater. But of course it's gonna be like 76 today, and that's why I didn't want to straighten or dye it yet. I wanted to wait. I only want to have this hair color like specifically for like October, November. Like, I don't want it to be like this weather out. I just want it for the vibes, this hair color, and like to match the leaves. And I only think the color like vibes with like a crew neck or something, like sweatpants, like, if you get what I'm saying. So now it's gonna be hot as crap and I'm gonna be like sweating and my hair's gonna be even more puffy by the end of the day. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. Look at how puffy that is. So puffy. Let me take it out. And then I finally got it back long again too, and just to like dye it, because I'm gonna dye it a bunch of times and keep it straight like throughout all fall, winter, and then of course it's gonna need to be cut, but whatever. But yeah, didn't come out as light as I wanted to. I definitely wanted like all that color right there, so I'm definitely excited to do it over again. But I wish it would have worked. I thought it was gonna work and come out like all that color because my hair was basically light brown, so I thought it was gonna take. And then these pieces right here were like sun bleached. They were already super duper light, so they definitely took and became the color I wanted. But yeah, if you can see it, that's the color I want it to be, that burnt orange color for the fall, and I think it's gonna look pretty. So I'm trying to fix it up a little bit because just this has always been there. Like, no matter how many times I cut my hair or whatever, like the ends, and it's always a good chunk, always just end up like dead, and they feel dead and they look dead. And this, I haven't even straightened my hair or dyed it in like like a year pretty much. I think the last time I straightened my hair was in like February. Last time I dyed it was way last year. So I'm like, why is it so dead? But my hair has always been like that. And so that's what makes me mad about straightening it. But so I don't even know what I'm trying to do right now to it. I think I'm just trying to give it a little bit of something so that it doesn't look crazy at the ends, but it still looks really crazy. But not to keep talking about my hair, the reason why I turned the camera on was because I just started thinking about like the spooky vibes and stuff. And oh my god, I'm gonna really say it. I was looking at my hair color and I feel like it's just because I'm in the spooky vibes, like October's coming up and stuff. Like this color, like it looks like dry blood or something. Like I don't mean to be weird, but then somehow I got on American Psycho. I have no idea how that came into my head. Where's the piece I just had? Dude, that movie's kind of scary if you think about it. Like, not the movie itself is scary, but like the scenario. Like, imagine you're just a prostitute and like you think you're about to just like have a good time, and then like you literally get like eaten. That's crazy. That's mad scary. But then it made me think of I just put up my summer favorites, even though it was a little late, but my summer favorites video. And you know what else was one of my summer favorites? Supernatural, the TV show. I just love that show. Me and my son are on season 6 and we just love it. We love it, you guys. I have no idea what I'm trying to do to my hair right now. We love that show, like, and I'm so glad we're like into it right now. And then we still have like a little bit to go so we can watch it through spooky season and stuff, because not only is it like nostalgic for me, I never watched it when it was out and I have no idea why. Not only is it like nostalgic because it's like the CW vibes, like old school TV vibes, it's just the spooky vibes, the zombies, the monsters, you know what I'm saying? And then Sam and Dean, baby, like, and me and my son, we just love it so much, and like it's literally our bonding time, and that's what I think is just so comforting about it, like to get to settle down every night and just get a snack and like know we're about to just watch a few episodes. Like we just love it. I really feel like that's literally gonna be our forever bonding show, and I just love that it's the spooky vibes, because that's also just not just spooky vibes. Like I don't like love Halloween. It's just mostly like the decorations, the holiday season, like the cozy vibes, like, and that's just nostalgic for us. Like as you get older, you just like, you miss being like little and being able to like cozy up, you know what I'm saying? So I just love that we can watch a cozy show during cozy season, and it's just the vibes. And I got like my candle going, the candlelight, we have a snack, and I love that. That's definitely a favorite, and I can't wait to just keep on watching throughout the season and stuff, this season as well. I don't mean to be like that bitch, like whining about her hair, but it honestly looks like shit. Like, look at that straightener job. It looks like shit. But I also realized I didn't even get the best part of cracking this bad boy open on camera because I was on the phone, so the video was muted. But this is so good. This is after a week of no caffeine too, so bomb flavor to start the week off with some fresh caffeine, and it's definitely gonna get me going, because I'm just gonna like clean up the living room and stuff, clean up everything, make sure everything's set in order. We're gonna have some steak and mashed potatoes for dinner, and it's just gonna be cozy vibes, family vibes, and yeah, this is gonna get me going to get through all of that. Where's the moon? Still out though. Okay, moon. And I love taking walks around certain streets around my town, because some of the houses, the way they're built, they give like fairy house, witch house, cottage, like intricate, pointy, like it just makes me think of like fantasy, like a gnome lives there, or a fairy or something like that. And so yeah, I'm just going for a walk, and I'll probably just take videos of the cute trees and cute little knickknacks I see. It's just one of my hobbies. I love going for a walk and just looking around, being observational, looking at all the decor people have, different things. I like when sheds are open, like garages, because I just like peeking in, seeing what everybody's garage looks like and stuff like that. And like a hearse just drove by me, like spooky things that happen during spooky season, like when I'm just out for my walks. But also like even just little intricate things like this lamppost I just love. But also really quick, I'm listening to on Audible the book Regretting You from Colleen Hoover, because it's coming out in the movies So I'm excited for that because I seen It Ends With Us when it came out in the movies. I went by myself, just like on a little movie date by myself, because I read the book before I even knew it was ever coming out into a movie. And then when it came out into a movie, I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be the perfect just solo date. So now I'm super excited for Regretting You to come out. So I started the book and I like it. It's cozy. And I know Colleen Hoover is not like everybody's cup of tea, but when I get into like a reading rut, her books are just really easy to get into, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I gotta put the camera down because I look like I'm filming myself in public and I don't like it. But every time I put my phone away, there's something spooky and cozy happening. Kinda kooky, kinda quirky. Yeah, the camera just does it no justice, but I love the leaves. And this is the first caffeine I've had in a week, and I'm already starting to feel the anxiety come on. Like caffeine really like invokes anxiety and stuff like that, so I'm super glad I took that leap, finally ditched the coffee, because I was on a roll. I was on a roll since springtime because I loved the pistachio flavor from Dunkin' Donuts, and then I moved into butter pecan because they got rid of it, and then I moved into pumpkin, and I just can't be eating all that cream, all that sugar and stuff. And I was also on energy drinks as well and all that, so I have to kick it because I'm just trying to get a hold on my mental health and stuff like that. Like, I don't want to be just caffeine riddled. So yeah, the two books I'm currently listening to are the Laws of Human Nature from Robert Greene, and though that's a really interesting book to listen to because it's just interesting to learn about yourself, learn about others. Obviously, once you hit a certain age, right, I'm almost 30, you just understand the way people work. You understand anxiety and traumas and triggers and stuff like that, but it's still good, what do I want to say, it's still a good topic that I love listening to, like anything psychology, right? And I thought about that because just the anxiety that I'm feeling, like I just have so much on my mind, and the fact that you can really control your mind if you want to, depending on what you're thinking about, how long you're thinking about it, just things like that, little things like, and just human nature, the fact that we really are just like animals at the end of the day, just advanced in our like brain waves and stuff like that. So it really all just starts in the mind. I have to tell myself, why do I have anxiety? If it's problems, you know, just find the solutions and things like that. So the Laws of Human Nature, and then the Colleen Hoover book. So, but I really have to go to the library and get some books like in hand. I have so many on my Audible, but definitely need a good, I want a thriller for like the spooky season, but I don't want like a, what's the word, like a brainy thriller, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want like a boring, like who did it, like type of thing. I want like a intense one, you know what I'm saying? And my friend has a lot of good book suggestions, so I can just ask her, but definitely let me know what spooky books or like fall cozy books you're listening to or reading right now. I definitely want to go to the library and get some in hand, and I always go to the library anyways. I always bring the kids and they always get new books and read them and finish them, and I love that. I just love that because it's just the little things that I'll always remember and that we always do together. And I just have so much stuff on my mind right now. Being a mom is so the scariest thing ever, and just every little thing you do, you're always just gonna feel guilty. Like, I could have did it a better way. I could have said something differently. And yeah, I just have anxiety. I'm emotional. I'm telling you, there's something in the air. I didn't want to mention it, but just everything going on in the news right now. And like shootings, school shootings, stabbings, like just literally currently this day, like there's a lot of that going on right now. So I guess there's just something in the air. I love walking by these little free libraries too. Look at all the cool things they have. They actually have some cozy, spooky vibes. Together we rot. The slow regard of silent things. Dress shop and dreams. Crown of feathers sounds good. Rest in peaches. Eye of the needle. That's spooky, huh? Thank you, girl.
I'm picking the juicy part.
I wish those were grape bees. Baby pineapple. This thing just flew over my head. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, girl. You crazy. Let me see. Let me see. I love it. And me pie.
Somebody stuck 3 pieces of gum to my desk.
I'm so excited to be here.
I'm sweating. My hair went up after that, but everybody had their din. Now,
Wait, which room is that?
this birdie's trapped in my house. Oh my
Mom,
god.
the window's open.
All this time, we had no idea. And then there's 2 of them, so what if there's like a bird's nest in there? This is our front room.
Mom, there's a big honeybee
Birdies in our
Dang, which
house.
room is that?
Don't fall
that's
off the
Olivia's
rock.
room. I told you.
A birdie!
It's Uncle D's room. I don't know. No, look. There's a window open right there. Yeah, my door's open.
No, that's...
The screen. I don't know.
Oh my gosh!
No, stop making them bang on the door.
How long have they been in there?
Oh my god.
They can't breathe.
That's
You're in Uncle
crazy.
D's.
Birds in my house. Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
I need to know how long they've been in there because that's crazy. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. That's crazy.
Are they in there yet? Oh yeah.
So right now I'm just gonna have a piece of pumpernickel bread with this Kerrygold butter and then Nutella because this is my favorite way to have this pumpernickel bread. And I love pumpernickel bread, and I feel like this is a very fall breakfast for some reason. It's just like a piece of toast, nice and cozy. So that's what I'm having for breakfast, and then I gotta figure out what I'm doing today. Throwing on my Lumi and the soft powder. My armpits are hairy, so I gotta take care of that. But this is the outfit for the day. Brown vibes, fall vibes. I wish I was actually this skinny. This ankle is making me look really good right now. But no. It's just the leggings for Fashion Over sucking me in. So that's nice. And quick and easy cheap fashion. This is the shirt is from Shein. And it's actually not as short and cropped as I thought it was. I probably could have wore this in the summer, but I didn't because I actually thought it was too cropped, but it's actually cute. So I'm gonna go in with the Saltaire saltwater vanilla oil, just a little bit. Just a little bit to get that moisture barrier for my scent. It smells so good. I'll bring you guys up now. And then I'm gonna wear a sweater, of course. From Fashion Nova. Has the little thumb holes. To be honest, those actually give me anxiety sometimes. It makes me feel constricted. Turn up the music and rock your body. Alright, so do I like it or nah? Do I look like a stuffed bird or nah? My hair looks like a bird, I can tell you that. But anyways, scent of the day is gonna be this Al Calamat from Sahari. I think this is Lattafa, I'm not sure. It's supposed to be a Prada Paradox dupe, so I want to see how long it lasts. I feel like it's a little bit jammy, and Prada Paradox is a little bit more lighter and fresher. But let's see. It smells good though. I like it. Look at how much sprays I'm doing. What if it does last really long? Realistic, how many sprays do you do? A lot. It's gonna be like all over my towels. Ooh, she smells good though. I like this. I'm glad I bought it. The bottle is definitely witchy vibes, I would say. Kind of fall vibes. Like, look at that. Yeah. So, scent of the day. I actually ended up changing because I was just too bloated for that other sweater, but I literally look like Wendy's. Like, my hair just, I'd rather have it curly. And then when I was younger, I would have rather had it straight. But I literally look like Wendy. I need to stop. Hi.
Take off your book. It feels like a book. It feels like a book. My bad, that's enough. Do this?
Nope. I don't know.
Yo, we went to the auditorium today because of band. And
Nice
guess
and
what they
cozy.
played?
Trying to get the cozy vibes going.
Where'd you get that sweatshirt? It's nice.
Primark, remember?
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna get a hotel so I can do just that.
Putting on the wrist. Not the cicadas.
I fear